Are you new to the world of online advertising and not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be taking you step by step through the basics of internet marketing. From understanding your target audience to optimizing your website, we'll make sure you're equipped with the knowledge you need to succeed in the digital world. We'll teach you the importance of SEO and how to use it to increase visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Internet marketing isn't just about having a pretty website. We'll also cover the power of social media and email marketing and how they can help you reach a larger audience and generate leads. We'll also cover the basics of online advertising and how to use it effectively to reach your target audience and drive sales. We understand that starting something new can be a bit overwhelming. That's why we try to make it as simple and easy to understand as possible. We'll be breaking down complex concepts and providing some examples to help you better understand how these strategies work. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, this is the perfect place for you. Hit the like button and let's get into the video. Before we begin, you need to understand there are several important aspects of internet marketing. Let's start with the first one, which is audience research. Understanding your target audience is crucial for developing effective marketing strategies. This includes researching demographics, interests, and behavior patterns. Audience research helps you understand your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts to meet your needs. The best way to conduct audience research is to first identify your target audience by creating buyer personas. These are fictional representations of your ideal customer based on demographic information, behavior patterns, motivations, and goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can then conduct surveys, focus groups, and interviews to gather more information about their needs, pain points, and preferences. Additionally, social media listening and web analytics can also provide valuable insights to your audience's behavior and interests. Once you have a comprehensive understanding of your audience, you can then use this information to create more effective marketing campaigns and increase the chances of reaching and converting your target audience. Next up is website design and optimization. Your website is often the first point of contact for potential customers, so it's important to have a well-designed and easy-to-use website that is optimized for search engines. Website design and optimization are crucial for attracting and retaining visitors, as well as for improving search engine rankings. To design an effective website, it's important to focus on the user experience and create a website that is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly. The website should also be designed with clear calls to action and optimized for conversions. To optimize your website, it's important to focus on search engine optimization, SEO, which includes technical optimization, on-page optimization, and off-page optimization. Technical optimization includes tasks such as optimizing website speed, improving website structure, and making sure it's mobile-friendly. On-page optimization includes tasks such as creating high-quality content, optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, and internal linking. Off-page optimization includes tasks such as building backlinks, social media promotion, and increasing brand visibility. Additionally, it's important to regularly monitor and analyze website performance using tools like Google Analytics to identify areas for improvement and to track your progress over time. By focusing on both design and optimization, you can create a website that not only looks great, but also performs well in search engines, attract more visitors, and convert more leads into customers. Now that you got your website up and running, you need to drive some traffic to it. The way you do that is with search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of improving the visibility of a website or a web page in a search engine's unpaid results. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can increase the chances of your website being found by your target audience. The best way to optimize a website for search engines is to conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords and phrases for your website. Optimize on-page elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, and content using those keywords. Build high-quality backlinks from reputable sites to increase the website's authority and trust. Optimize website technical elements such as website speed, mobile friendliness, and website structure. Regularly monitoring and analyzing website performance using tools such as Google Analytics to track progress and identify areas for improvement. It's important to note that SEO is an ongoing process that requires time, patience, and a commitment to creating high-quality content and a positive user experience. It's also important to keep in mind that SEO best practices are constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and guidelines. Now let's go to the next one. Content marketing. Creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content is an important aspect of internet marketing. This includes blog posts, videos, infographics, and other types of content that provide value to your target audience. An example of content marketing could be a clothing company creating a fashion blog on their website that includes articles on the latest fashion trends, styling tips, and outfit ideas. They could also create a YouTube channel that features videos of fashion influencers wearing their clothing and providing reviews. Additionally, they could share images of their clothing on Instagram and offer exclusive discounts to followers. They could also have a Pinterest account where they share boards of outfit ideas, fashion inspiration, and style guide for their target audience. The company's content would be designed to provide value to their target audience by helping them stay informed about the latest fashion trends and providing inspiration for their own outfits. All these content formats provide value to the target audience, and it will help the company to attract and retain a loyal audience. Now that you know that, let's move on to social media marketing. Social media platforms are a great way to reach a large audience and engage with them. Creating a strong presence on social media can help you build brand awareness and generate leads. A little example of marketing on social media. Let's say you have a small business that sells handmade candles. You could create a Facebook page where you post pictures and videos of the candles, as well as information about upcoming promotions and sales. You could also use Instagram to share beautiful images of your candles and to showcase the different scents and colors available. You could also use Instagram stories and reels to give a behind-the-scenes look at how the candles are made. Additionally, you could run social media ads targeting people interested in home decor and fragrance. By using a variety of social media platforms, the business could reach a wider audience and increase your visibility. Next up, email marketing. Email marketing is a direct way to reach your target audience and build relationships with them. It can be used to promote your products or services, provide valuable information, and also keep your customers informed about new developments. To apply it effectively, build your email list by collecting addresses from your website, social media, and in-person events. Segment your list into groups based on characteristics such as location, interests, or purchase history to send targeted, relevant emails. Create high-quality content that provides value to your subscribers and use a clear, compelling subject line to grab their attention. Optimize your emails for mobile devices and include a clear call to action. Track your performance using tools like Google Analytics and test your emails before sending them. Timing is also crucial. Send your emails at the right time when your target audience is most likely to open and engage with them. And last of all, online advertising. Online advertising, which includes pay-per-click, PPC ads, and display ads, help to get your brand in front of the right audience at the right time. It can be a powerful way to generate leads and drive sales. We got another example for you. A clothing company wants to increase its online sales and decide to launch an online advertising campaign. They define their target audience as young women aged 18 to 35 with an interest in fashion. They choose to advertise on Instagram, Facebook, and Google AdWords. They create visually appealing ads featuring models wearing their latest clothing collection. They use A/B testing to optimize the ad's performance, set a budget of $5,000 for the campaign, and track the performance using Google Analytics. They also use retargeting to display ads to users that have previously visited their website. They notice an increase in website traffic and sales after the campaign and decide to continue running the ads and regularly review and refine their strategy. That's it for our beginner's guide to internet marketing. We hope that you found the information provided in our video useful and informative. Remember, internet marketing is an ever-evolving field, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest strategies and tactics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on internet marketing and other related topics. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.